client today that gets a few different issues. If you want to tell them about them, that's fine. If you want me to tell them, that's fine. I'll tell them about what's going on. So you get a lot of rib tightness. So I'm going to adjust her ribs. I'm going to adjust her neck and back and everything else. Very stressful job, I think, you know, and kind of things cause you to get some of that tension and whatnot.
I agree.
So pretty easy. Luckily, I have a 6'5" wingspan, so it makes it really easy. I gotta reach around and kind of grab in on her ribs. She's had this done before, so she knows what to expect. I'm gonna kind of take my thumb and put it right up underneath her rib. There, you're gonna breathe in, and you're gonna breathe out. I'm gonna put here, you won't hear like a huge crack or anything like that, but it just kind of helps bring the ribs back. And we're gonna do it on the other side as well. Gonna breathe in and out. Good. Good. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. And we're gonna adjust your shoulders. Just a little adjustment right here. Nice. Drop that elbow down. There you go. Good. Good. And drop that elbow down nice and loose. Good. Good. All right, let me have you lie on your stomach. I know you can hear it. I don't know if the camera can always hear it.
Oh yeah.
It's just a regular phone camera. It's nothing fancy. I don't do any crazy editing or anything like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have you take a deep breath in here and all the way out. Good. Good. Relax. Good. You okay?
Uh-huh.
Good. And we're gonna rock your head right here, nice and easy. Good. That's right. Good. All right, lie on your side, facing me over here on the side. All right, come in close so you can hear if you don't mind. She's already moving on me. It's okay. Just means it's ready. Roll to the other side for me.
Well, I had a massage yesterday, so it might move better.
Excellent.
It'll
Makes it
move a little
easier to
better.
move, right?
Yep. I need to tie them together.
Mm-hmm. And relax right there. You go. Nice and easy. Good. And line it back for me. You're fine. I'm just gonna check your legs. I'm gonna pull the leg right there. Nice and easy.
Oh, I forgot to relax. Sorry.
You did fine. It was relaxed enough.
I always want to tighten up.
Right?
Oh my god.
Okay. And now we're gonna do the neck. Sorry, my watch got your hair there. So I'm just trying to get her neck to relax the muscles so that it makes it easier to adjust and I don't have to, I'll say, force it as much. I believe that if you do a little bit of muscle work first, it makes the adjustment a little easier, as well as hold better. And then we're just going to stretching your shoulders out. Get your shoulders out of your ears. We'll just traction you up a little bit. Kind of warming the muscles up, almost like stretching before you exercise kind of thing. Some people you gotta do this a little more on, and some people you don't have to do it as much. But
I am the as much.
I
Is what he should say.
all right, just relax right here, nice and easy. Good. Relax right. Good. Good. Can you give me a hand up?
Yep.
Good. Stand up, move around, tell me how you feel.
I'm sore.
Sore? It's okay. I
Good.
expect you to be sore.
Yeah.
Soreness is just us shifting it all around. The analogy,
Very good.
good. The analogy I always use with soreness is we expect you to be a little sore. You know, if you walk a mile every day in the same shoes, you go and buy a new pair of tennis shoes and walk that same mile, your feet are going to get a little sore because we've now shifted things around the way that they're moving. And that's what we expect. Like our video, subscribe, comment for any additional information. Thanks.